Hi, what is going on? We have Graco Swing and Bouncer. We had a very good experience with this baby swing, however putting together this baby swing wasn't super straightforward. Today, Ryan and I will go through how to assemble Graco baby swing. By the way, we also did two other videos on this Graco baby swing. One on how to dismantle the swing and second on how to put and remove the bouncer. If you're interested in these videos, I'll put a link here and also in the description below. But for now, let's focus on the assembly. Let's jump into it. Coming up. These are the parts in the box. Check if you have all of them. Let's start the assembly for the Graco Swing and Bouncer. Grab these legs for the bouncer and connect them like this. Make sure they snap securely. Turn the seat over and wrap the cover over the seat like this. Take this recline handle through the opening on the pad. Insert the legs into the holes on the either sides of the seat like this. Now let's attach the seat pieces together like this. Fasten one screw on each side. Next, wrap the seat pad around the bottom side of the seat frame. There is an elastic strap on each side of the pad. Attach it to the hook on the seat to secure the pad. Pull the seat pad webbing through the opening on the seat frame like this, for both sides. By the way, more than 99% of the views on this channel are from non-subscribers. If you're getting value out of this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. It is very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you, and let us continue with the assembly. In this step, we connect the U-shaped tube to the bottom side of the seat frame. Make sure this snap is pointing this way. Also make sure the connections are matching, as one side has non-circular tubes. You can see this in the bottom right picture. Fasten the U-shaped tube with 2 screws to the seat frame like this. Insert the handle release strap into the seat like this, on both sides. Now we finish attaching the seat pad.
Find these flaps on the seat pad. First connect the one with the 2 snaps to the frame.
Then connect the other flap on top of it. Repeat this for the other side. We finished the assembly of the bouncer. Yay! Now we put together the swing frame. Gently plug the wires together. Put the wires in the tube and insert the legs to the motor housing. Insert the remaining legs like this. Insert the base tubes like this and make sure the holes are lined up. Put the plastic cover on the holes like this. Insert the hanger tube into the motor housing. Make sure it is secure. Now we attach the bouncer. Hold the bouncer by handles and put it on the mount on the swing. Make sure it is secure. By the way, check out these other videos about Graco Duet Connect Swing and Bouncer. If you got value out of this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks a lot for the support and you have a good one.